Shalom, shalom, shalom. The Lord is good and His mercy endures forever. This is Gele, beloved. So I just want to share some of my enjoyable quiet moments with you as I decorate my Gele. This is one of the modest Gele. There's no decoration on this one. It's a bit shiny if you look close, and very simple to wear within 1 minute. So yes, and I got this from a top that I kind of worked upon. I removed the buttons from the top and did something else with it that looks better to my own soothing. So these buttons, instead of throwing them away, I thought I'll use it to decorate this Gele. So I want you to watch with me. One more item is the glue gun, and works by you heating up the glue sticks that looks like this. So let's get to it. As I first put some cream on my hand, that is just the truth, always washing my hands. Sign of an ex-staff nurse. You wash your hands and also clean door handles. Many people don't perhaps remember that. Clean door handles that people touch to open the door. So let's get at it. What I'm going to do is to plug that and then on it. You can on it and off it even when you're not ready. Plug it, then on it to heat. When you start noticing that it's beginning to come out here, that's when the glue is now like in a more liquid form to use. So that's the glue I'm going to use to put the button on my cap. So let me just plug that here very nicely here. That is plug. So I on it. You can see it's on now. And I've got something that can just rest it on, so that when it starts producing the liquid form, I'll rest it there. I'll just rest it there. So as I open the Gele from the wrap, and one of the reasons that prompted this is that as I was looking at my Gele in one of the recent videos I'm still editing, this came to light. The first time I noticed it, the dimples were in the layers of the turban top was sewed. So I thought maybe I'm wearing it inside out. I've tied it there neatly. So I noticed that if I turn it the other way, it's almost the same. It also has the dimples. So it's on these dimples that I'm thinking of putting these buttons. You can decorate your clothing. You can decorate your shoes modestly if you wish. But don't decorate your body, is what the Lord is about. So this is where I'm intending to put the glue, and just quickly put that. The glue dries fast. You see now the glue has started. It's already started. So I'm just going to start putting. Normally we should count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like that number even. I'm a lover of number 7. So that's 7 to be sure that you have enough. So let's get to it. It has to be done very quickly. We put the glue in the center and very quickly put that and press. Very quickly again, you put in the center. Before it dries, put the button and press. That's number 2 button. You can top it up by the side by adding more and pressing. You see, it dries and forms like cobweb and strings, but you have to be fast. It dries fast. Oh, that's gone on the floor, but we have enough. So I'm just trying to get it handy so that I can quickly put it. So you quickly put it and press. Press this hard. That's number 3. See how beautiful it is. If you form any string, you can just cut it off neatly. Decorating my auto gele. This auto gele is available at £20. That's supposed to be the acceptable retail price. So even though I got it cheaper, I got it on final sale of no return, which is a bit risky. I've got a few things on final sale that you can't return. You just have to throw it away or give it to the recycling bin. So it's like a risk. Anyway, this is about decorating. You see that it's looking beautiful, especially when you have a gold and burgundy color dressing. So that's it. You press it, and count up to 10 perhaps, and then let it go. If it's giving away somewhere, one side, can just open it slightly and put more glue and press it. So this is the last one I'm going to be fixing. So I'm going to off this light so that it's not heating up more and more. So that's the last one. And we have to quickly, oh, what's going on there? Sometimes that happens when you're doing the first one or the last one. Just want to prove. So that's it. Jesus is taking care of me. I'm glad because Jesus is taking care of me. So we want to put on this side. Check the size. Am I on it because of that? You see that side? There's a gap there, so I'm going to put more glue. There should still be more glue there to press. And press, just press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then check your work. That's it. Remember to off this here and then add the plug when you are sure you are no more, using it. So this is the turban that you put on. Within 1 minute, you can wear that. I'm just checking to see if there's no gap so that you can put more glue now. So that's it. Thank you for watching with me how to decorate your auto gele, whether from ashoke or more softer fabrics.
Ìgbà tí mo rò ó, iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ̀ láyé mi. Orí fọ́ ọ̀gá, bàbá. Ìgbà tí mo rò ó, iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ̀ láyé mi. Orí fọ́ ọ̀gá, púpọ̀. Alágbádá iná aláwọ̀. Ìgbà tí mo rò ó, iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ̀ láyé mi. Orí fẹ́ ọ̀gá. Ọlọ́run tó gbàjọ ẹ lọ. Ìgbà tí mo rò ó, iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ̀ láyé mi. Mo rí pé ọ̀gá. Ogun tẹ́nìyàn ń jà lágbà ó pọ̀ jógún. èwe lọ. Torí ẹni ayé balẹ̀ táyé orí mú lógún tó sanra ń dojúkọ. Ìdí táyé fi ń lé ní óyé ayé Ọlọ́run mímọ́ o. Ojú ogun láyé jẹ́ fẹ́ni tó wáyé.